Hello guys, in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and review of Tata Swach gravity based water purifier. In the packet, the product price is about 2,999, which is 3,000. But when I bought it from Amazon, I got it for about 2,700 rupees. To check out and purchase the product, I have provided the link in the description if you people are interested. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox the product. So when you open the product, the first thing which you can see is the top section of the product. The product comes in three sections: the top lid section, the middle storage and purifying section, and the bottom is the storage container. The middle section is 10 liters and the bottom container is also 10 liters. So combining, we can call it as 20 liters. Inside the box, you can also find a small cardboard box in which the other components of the purifier is given. Inside the cardboard box, when you open, the first thing which you can see is the top mesh filter. So the job of this filter is to filter all the big impurities which is present in the water, like sand or any big particles which is present in the tap water will be first filtered by this filter. The next thing which you can see is a lock for the UHF filter. The next thing which you can see in the packet is a tap which helps to release the water, which is made up of plastic and has a silver coating on it. The next thing which you can see in the box is the UHF filter, which is the most important part of this purifier. Inside this cartridge, there are ultra hollow fibers which helps in the filtration of all the bacteria, virus and microbes present in the water. The top and bottom part of the filter is sealed, which you have to remove before fixing. The next thing which you can find inside the box is the lid of the filter, which goes above the top mesh filter and is made up of stainless steel. They have also provided with a syringe which helps in the cleaning of the filter cartridge. And finally, in the box you can see there is a user manual which helps you in the installation of the product. So without wasting any more time, let's do the installation of the product. So first, take the bottom part of the purifier. In the bottom of the container, you can see there is a hole where the tap is fixed, which dispenses the water. So the tap provided in the box comes with two rubber washers and one nut which tightens the tap to the bottom container. While fixing the tap, make sure one washer is on the outside part of the container and then fix the other washer at the inside part of the container. And using the nut which is provided, tighten the tap to the bottom purified water storage container. Once the tap is fixed correctly, it should look like this. Now keep the bottom container to a side and we will see how to fix the purifier cartridge filter to the mid section. Remove both the seals which is present on the top and bottom part of the cartridge. Now I'm going to give you guys a rough demo on how to use the cartridge. Once the purifier is for a long time, all the dirt and debris which is present in the tap water will get accumulated in the cartridge. This will cause inefficient filtration of the purifier. Here I'm not using water, I'm just showing a rough idea. So what you have to do is fill the syringe with water and place it on the bottom side of the cartridge and press the water inside the cartridge. This will force all the debris which is present on the bottom part to be expelled out. Now we will see how to install the cartridge to the purifier's midsection. As you people can see, there is a cutout on the bottom part of the midsection where the top part of the cartridge goes inside. In the user manual, the instruction tells us to place the cartridge on the cutout, then insert the key on the same cutout and twist it clockwise, which will lock the filter or cartridge in its place. In my case, I was not able to fix in this way. Many times I have tried, but I was not able to twist the lock key to the clockwise direction. It keeps on getting jammed. So I took another approach to fix the cartridge. So what I have done here is I have already placed the key and rotated in clockwise direction and then placed the filter onto the key, and while holding the key at its place, rotate the filter to the anti-clockwise direction, which will lock the filter in its place. Now place the midsection, in which already the cartridge has been installed, on top of the bottom storage container like this. After placing the midsection at its place, now we are going to place the top plate which covers the midsection, which has a cutout in the middle for the top mesh filter. Now without wasting any more time, let's install the mesh filter. On the sides of the mesh filter, there are 3 logs. While placing, all the 3 logs should be aligned with the 3 raised cutouts which is present on the top plate. After placing the mesh filter onto the cutout, twist it clockwise direction to lock it in its place. From the bottom side, it will look like this. Finally, place the lid for the top mesh filter on top of it. Once everything is done, the filter will look like this. To fill water to the purifier, just pour tap water on the top mesh filter, which will filter the water and store it into the midsection. And then, with the help of the UHF filter, it will be filtered and stored into the bottom container. For the water to be filtered and stored into the bottom container, it takes a bit of time. So after the filtration is completed, you can go ahead and open the tap and enjoy the fresh pure water purified by the Tata Swach water-based purifier. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Take care.